It was not only to giants and men that Odin showed himself in the days when he went through Jotunheim and Midgard as Vegtam the Wanderer. He met and he spoke with the gods also, with one who lived far away from Asgard, and with others who came to Midgard and to Jotunheim. The one who lived far away from Asgard was Vidar, Odin's silent son. Far within a wilderness, with branches and tall grass growing around him, Vidar sat, and near by him a horse grazed with a saddle on it, a horse that was ever ready for a speedy journey. And Odin, now the Wanderer, came into that silent place and spoke to Vidar, the silent god. "O Vidar," he said, "strangest of all my sons, God who will live when all of us have passed away, God who will bring the memory of the dwellers of Asgard into a world that will know not their power. O Vidar, well do I know why there grazes near by thee a horse ever ready for a speedy journey. It is that thou mayest spring upon it and ride unchecked, a son speeding to avenge his father. To you only, O Vidar the Silent One, will I speak of the secrets of my doing. Who but you can know why I, Odin, eldest of the gods, hung on the tree Yggdrasil 9 days and 9 nights, mine own spear transfixing me. I hung upon that windy tree, that I might learn the wisdom that would give me power in the 9 worlds. On the 9th night the runes of wisdom appeared before mine eyes, and slipping down from the tree I took them to myself. And I shall tell thee why my ravens fly to thee, carrying in their beaks scraps of leather. It is that thou mayest make for thyself a sandal. With that sandal on, thou mayest put thy foot on the lower jaw of a mighty wolf and rend him. All the shoemakers of the earth throw on the ground scraps of the leather they use, so that thou mayest be able to make the sandal for thy wolf-rending foot. And I have counseled the dwellers on earth to cut off the fingernails and the toenails of their dead, lest from those fingernails and toenails the giants make for themselves the ship Naglfar, from which they will sail from the north on the day of Ragnarok, the twilight of the gods. More, Vidar, I will tell to thee. I, living amongst men, have wed the daughter of a hero. My son shall live as a mortal amongst mortals. Siggi his name shall be. From him shall spring heroes that will fill Valhalla, my own hall in Asgard, with heroes against the day of our strife with the giants, and with Surtur of the flaming sword. For long Odin stayed in that silent place, communing with his silent son, with Vidar, who with his brother would live beyond the lives of the dwellers of Asgard, and who would bring into another day in another world the memory of the Aesir and the Vanir. For long Odin spoke with him, and then he went across the wilderness where the grass and the bushes grew, and where that horse grazed in readiness for the sudden journey. He went towards the seashore where the Aesir and the Vanir were now gathered for the feast that old Aegir, the giant king of the sea, had offered them.